Hi, in this video I'm going to explain how to access a variable through a pointer variable. Uh, like once a pointer has been assigned the address of a variable, the value of that variable can be accessed using the indirection operator called asterisk symbol. See for example, suppose my quantity is my ordinary variable, star p is a pointer variable and again n is an ordinary variable. So quantity is assigned with value 50 and pointer variable is assigned with address of the quantity and n is equals to, now I am using this indirection operator star p. So remember always p can hold address of ordinary variable, okay, quantity, and star p can hold value of quantity. Okay, star p can hold value of quantity. So whenever you want to access an ordinary variable with a pointer, simply we can use asterisk symbol before your pointer variable name, right? So now I will illustrate with a simple example how we can access the ordinary variable value with a pointer variable. See example. So this is your main function. So in this main function I have two ordinary variables x and y and one pointer variable star ptr. So x is assigned with value 10. So now x value is 10. So pointer is assigned with address of x. So we know address can represented with ampersand symbol. So ptr is equals to ampersand x. So your y can hold value of this x through your pointer variable ptr, so that we can simply take star ptr. So now the star ptr can hold the value of this variable x and that is assigned to y. So now we can see how many ways we can take x value, okay, by using this pointer concept. So the value of x is, so simply we directly print value of x by using x variable. This is an ordinary variable. So we can print value of x in a normal way. Suppose if you want to access the same x value through your pointer, what are the different ways we can see? See, percentile d is stored. So what do you mean by this percentile d is nothing but the integer value is stored at address. So percentile u is used to represent the address. So now the value can be taken from x variable directly and address of this x is calculated by using ampersand x. So the same thing can be used by your pointer variable like this. See, percentile d is stored at address percentile u. So now this x value is retrieving from your pointer variable and that pointer variable we can use the indirection operator. So simply we can use star ptr. So what do you mean by star ptr? It can hold the value of your x. So what is the value of your x? That is 10. So it will show you like 10 is stored at address. So we know ptr can hold address, right? So instead of ampersand x, simply I can use ptr, right? Simply I can use ptr. So in this way we can access this ordinary variable by using the pointer variable. Suppose see, if you can write the same statement like percentile d is stored at address percentile u and you can take this value by y also, because see y can hold the value of x by pointer variable ptr. So simply in place of star ptr you can write y also. That is also give the same answer. So this topic is going to explain like how an ordinary variable can accessed with a pointer variable. I hope you all can understand. Thank you.